Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn Solana for absolutely free without any investment. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So all you have to do is you need to create an account on this website using the link in the description. I will leave a link in the description where you will get some free credits, or you can say faucet Toshi, and even I will get some free credits. Now, as you can see, this is a website where you can earn free cryptocurrencies. So all you have to do is you need to go to faucets over here, and then there is tasks like every 15 minutes, and in total there are 25 claims a day where you can keep doing this task. So the tasks are pretty simple, like you just have to verify that you are a human, and you will get this balance in your account every time you do that, but this will be like every 15 minutes. So in a day you can do it for 25 times. And there is something called as auto faucet also. So once you have enough faucet Toshi balance in your wallet, then you can apply for this auto faucet, where you don't have to keep doing it manually. It will keep doing it for you. Then they also have something called as paid to click, which is PTC. So you can watch the ads. So 32 ads are available, and in total the payout is 0.515 faucet Toshi. So you can go ahead and do this simple task where, for example, this task will give you 0.05. This will also give you 0.05. So you can complete all this task, and then they have this lottery system over here where you can buy tickets over here. So I will go and close this. This is the advertisement over here, and as you can see, there are a few lucky winners here. So this guy has earned like 32.05 faucet Toshis. This is 40, and people are earning in lottery, as you can see over here. Then there are some tasks also where you can keep doing this task. So there is a stake offer where you will need to register over here, and for this the reward is a bit on the higher side. So as you can see, it's 100, and this is 10 and 10. And here it will display you the achievements. So what happens in achievement is, like, if you complete a certain amount of tasks. So let's say I have completed 5 faucet claims, I can go ahead and claim this over here. So extra of 0.05 faucet Toshi would be added in my balance. And then they have this more sites over here where you can earn more cryptos. So if we go and check the leaderboard over here, as you can see, this guy has earned like 10 faucet toshis. So these are top 10 claimers of this week. And if we go in dashboard over here, and if we select like Solana over here, so currently my balance is 0.06 faucet toshi, which would give me 0.4 times 0.29, around 3, you can say, Solana coins. So if I keep doing it every day, slowly my Solana balance will quickly grow. If I check this with other cryptocurrencies, as you can see, there is also Polygon Matic over here. Then there is Dogecoin here. So you can do this, but Solana is good because the future looks good for Solana. So this is how you can earn free Solana every day. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.